In this question, we'll be solving this. This will be really good for CBSE Board's preparation. As you can see, we need to evaluate this. Normally, what most people do, people will solve like this, because we know cot theta equals 1 by tan theta. So most people will make the mistake of solving for theta and then substituting over here. This does work, but there is a faster way. As you can see here, we have the difference of two squares, because we have a plus b times a minus b. We have the same thing on the denominator. So let us write over here. We have 1 minus sine square theta over 1 minus cos square theta be the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So in this case, what will we have? We will have, if we take this to the other side, we will see that sine square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta, and cos theta equals 1 minus sine square theta. So this will be our simplified version. And this can be further written as cot square theta. And the reason is because we know that sine square theta divided by cos square theta equals tan square theta. And we also know that cot square theta equals 1 by tan square theta. So we have cot square theta. We know that cot theta is 7 by 8. So the full simplified equation, this full simplified value is 7 over 8 whole square. So the answer will be 49 over 64. Hope this is helpful for your board's preparation. Thank you.